Ryan Breton tracking our forecast. I was talking with Keith at noon today. 3 for 3. This feels very good right now.
Sure does. We're kind of rolling in this. And actually, tomorrow and Friday are not going to be that bad.
Okay.
That's
just,
good to hear.
Just different.
Yeah, it just won't be quite as warm. Be a little bit more cloud cover, maybe a shower, but nothing
So
we can't
quit your
take.
whining is what I'm hearing.
That's exactly the point. I know it's tough coming off a beautiful stretch, though, like we've had these last couple of days. Nice view in Portland right now, 74 degrees, and in Bangor, it is still 80. Again, hitting 80 degrees in Bangor today. Freiburg, the warmest spot at 85. Lewiston got to 81. And Rockland, 75. Late May, that's pretty good on the mid-coast. Still warm inland, low 80s, but just a light sea breeze on the coast. Portsmouth right now is 79. We have some high clouds starting to spread into southern Maine, but most of us are nice and clear. High pressure is still trying to hold on. A lot of these showers you see here will actually dry up overnight into tomorrow, but there will be a few showers around, just not many. Overnight tonight, it's a mild night, low temperatures in the 50s, so a comfortable night for sleeping. Tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to more clouds. There will be some sun through the morning tomorrow, though, in northern Maine. That's where it'll be warmest tomorrow. The rest of us, though, it's mostly cloudy with maybe a passing shower. You don't see much here. If you do have outdoor plans tomorrow, just be aware that a shower may come through at just about any time, but it shouldn't be anything heavy. Late in the day tomorrow, especially on the south coast, it turns rather cloudy and the wind will be coming in off the ocean. So it will turn cooler later in the day on the coast tomorrow after hitting a high in the 60s right around noon. Northern Maine, though, especially north of Bangor, gets well into the 70s for highs tomorrow. Tomorrow night, a few showers up north. Otherwise, we'll find partial clearing. And then for Friday, I think it's partly sunny, especially in the morning. That's probably the best chance for some sunshine on Friday. And then a pop-up shower is possible in the afternoon. But again, you don't see much rain here on Friday. So other than a sprinkle or a shower, a lot of the time on Friday will be dry. We get to around 70 in Portland on Friday, 60s Rockland to down east, mid-70s inland on Friday. So pretty good day coming up then. Now on Saturday, an area of low pressure forms and comes up from the south. We're going to have some rain on Saturday, but the question is the timing. I think the heaviest probably comes through right around noon, 1, 2 o'clock. And then if this keeps moving, it may turn a bit drier late in the day on Saturday in southern Maine. Northern Maine probably not going to happen, though. And then Sunday, the storm system's to our north, but the upper levels are cold. So any sun we see will trigger clouds and maybe a pop-up shower on Sunday, but that's not a washout at all. Seas tomorrow, 2 to 3 feet out on the water. So a few showers tomorrow, but not a bad day at all. Highs around 70 inland. We'll be in the 60s at the coast. Northern Maine will get well into the 70s tomorrow. Some sun mixes in on Friday, maybe a passing shower. And then rounds of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. I think it's probably wettest late morning, early to mid-afternoon, and we may dry out a bit Saturday night and just a pop-up shower on Sunday. So it's not a total loss of a weekend, but middle of the day Saturday looks pretty wet.
A lot of indoor projects to do.
Yes.
We'll do them all then.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.